What's up, you guys? I noticed that in my last vlog, I was doing a lot of turning and I had back shadow or backlighting. And that ain't cute, so I'm gonna make sure I don't do that this time. And make sure I face the light the whole time that I'm holding this damn camera. But anyways, I just decided to, wrong one, to take advantage of this opportunity to record this new apartment that I'm in right now, only for like a couple weeks. I'm gonna be staying in this apartment for a couple weeks because our apartment is getting some work done to it, so we had to move out of it. A big inconvenience, like a huge inconvenience. I got off work this morning at 7 o'clock and we're literally just now getting into this apartment. But in an effort to have content for Vlogmas, I'm gonna give you guys an, what's the word I'm looking for? An apartment tour. So let me start. Oh, not backlight. Hey. Let's start from the front door. All right. This is gonna be my little test trial on how to do an apartment tour. Anyway, so bam. This is what you see when you first walk in. Turn to the right, and then you have the powder room. Simple pedestal sink, toilet. Simple, right? Bye. To the right, you're gonna have laundry, Bryson's dog food, washer dryer. It's a pretty big laundry room, I guess. There's no shelves or anything like that, but it's pretty decent size. You can step inside of it. There's nothing over here but a lamp, but something could go over here. And this is the living room.
Today in the United States, it violates ethical codes for physicians to be involved. So usually the people who
and straight ahead is going to be the balcony. Pretty small compared to the one we have now, but yeah. They have chairs and a table out there. And this is our view. All right, moving forward. We have a table right here for the small dining. A good card table, actually. I have to invite some fellas over to play cards. And then over here is like the office, I guess. We still have like our stuff over here still. That we have to straighten up, but yeah. Going forward to the kitchen. It's a pretty big kitchen. This kitchen is bigger than ours. Has a very large peninsula. Wine cooler, dishwasher, sink, lots of shelving, shelves, fridge. It's gonna be empty, stove, oven, all that stuff. All right, this is gonna be the maintenance closet or whatever this thing is with the like hot water heater and all that stuff like that. This is gonna be the first bedroom, which is like the second bedroom or guest bedroom, whatever. It's pretty decent size. The closet isn't a walk-in, but it has decent shelving in here. And then floor-to-ceiling windows and the bathroom, which is a pretty decent shower. Turn the lights on. Pretty decent sized shower. Bam! I look a mess, so don't mind me. They have like set up like a hotel type deal. Moving on to the master, which is the room that I'll be in. First off, here's the closet. This is a huge closet. This is the biggest closet that I've had since I've been in this building, and I've been in 2 apartments so far. Well, this will be the 3rd. I mean, we're only in this apartment for 2 weeks though, but yeah. So this is pretty decent. I can't wait to like hang up my stuff and like, yeah. And this room is bigger than my bedroom now too. Don't like this furniture, but it'll do. That rhyme, yep, that rhymed. Y'all better catch those bars. Yeah, this might be right here. And then here's the master bathroom. Bathtub, shower. The shower is actually smaller than the guest bathroom shower. And yeah, that is this. That's Bryson. So yeah, So that is the end of this video. Listen, I need content, all right? So content is what you will be getting. You will be getting content from me. So sorry if this video was low energy. I just now got some pep in my step just now, but yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys the temporary apartment that me and my roommate's gonna be staying in for the next couple of weeks. Today was a hectic day, I tell you. Our property management is trying to just test out the situation because they're gonna actually have to move several other residents as well. So they wanted to test out on us, and we were definitely the guinea pigs. I had to send a text message downstairs to apologize to my property manager because I definitely was like a little cranky with her earlier, just expressing my annoyance with the whole process because this was not smooth at all, you know.